Hey folks, one of the issues I found in using LibreOffice Impress is that if I uh, share this resource with students and they download this to their computers and then they come to school and want to share their presentation on computers that do not have LibreOffice downloaded on them, that may pose a problem. And so seeing that most of our schools have the Microsoft Office programs, I just wanted to quickly demonstrate how to convert your file so that when you save it, it's compatible with PowerPoint. So it's a very simple process. You go to File, Save As, and then you're going to have to decide where you're going to save it in a folder and what you're going to name the file. But what I want you to pay attention to is here where it says Save as Type. And if you click on the options there, you'll see there's several different options for Microsoft PowerPoint. The one I've used, because I think it's the most up-to-date version, is Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 to 2013 XML. And you'll see that it has a .pptx. That's the one I've been using, and it seems to be working pretty well. You'd click there and save, and that's all you would need to do.